Guys, I'm excited. I just got this in the mail today, and I already opened up and got the lava rock out so we could actually wash out the lava rock and get it ready to go. This is the Universal Sear Daddy. This comes from the Smoke Daddy guys, and I like this for several reasons. One, they're from Gurnee, Illinois, so they're a good Midwest company. Most of their stuff is made in the Midwest. Hey, this will make your pellet grill get hot enough to actually sear food, to actually put a nice yummy crust on the outside of your food. And what we're going to do with this tonight is we're going to put the lava rocks in it. We're going to set it up on the Green Mountain Grill, and we're going to cook up some brats. We're going to install the Sear Daddy into the Green Mountain Grill. Now I must say, I thought this would fit down in here better than this. It keeps my grates up higher. If that's the way it is, I'm not going to complain about it just yet. I want to see how this cooks, but just know that the lava rocks are supporting the grill, or the grate. So, not sure how well that's going to work out. This thing I thought would fit down in the same grooves that the actual grates fit into, but it just doesn't. I tried it both ways, and it just doesn't do it. I'll try it in the Traeger and see if it fits in it better, but right now, we're using this one. I went back and checked the Smoke Daddy's website, and it says it needs to be 19.5 inches wide on the grill grates. Well, my Daniel Boone is not. It is just over 60, about 16.25. But the Traeger, it is 19.5 inches. We'll try it on the Traeger at a different time, but tonight we're going to stick with this. We're going to keep it on the Green Mountain Grill. We're cooking brats on it tonight. It shouldn't make much difference in the cook of it, since the grates will be right there anyway. Now, you'll notice some of these look different than the others. These 4 I had on the Traeger. I'm currently cooking some chickens on the Traeger, so I threw the brats on there with them, the 4 of them. The rest of them I parboiled in beer, water, and just a little bit of onion. It says to run it on high, but man, this thing gets hot. Which really is the purpose. Until I get a little more used to it, we're going to moderate the temperature a little bit. This thing does cook incredibly hot. Like I say, I parboiled the brats to make sure they were done on the inside. And this is after about less than 10 minutes of being on here. And you got to constantly turn them. This one is, this is the way I like them. I like them mostly done. I like the outside to be crispy when I bite into it. So this definitely works for that. Now there's a learning curve here, and I've got to work on that. This is incredibly hot in here, and it's less hot around the edges. But depending on what your grill is set on and whether it's firing at the time or whether it shuts the fire down, makes a huge difference on how much heat's where. These are Apple Gouda Brats. We buy these down at Passaic, Missouri from a place called McBee's. Not a sponsor, but they have some fantastically good brats. And they have about 100 different flavors of them.
No. I'm not doing both at the moment.